Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083631 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these errors, then please follow the steps shown in the video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom, you will see Windows Update option, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, and then make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now you can open Windows settings and go to Windows Update. If you see retry option, hit retry, try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here, and once paused, click on resume updates and then check. Next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Make a right click on the command prompt, type in cmd, make a right click on command prompt app, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time, and once the scan is complete, once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here, you can write down the name of the update. That is KB5083631. And then click on search. Click on search over here. Now let me change the language. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check your Windows version. In my case, the version is 25H2. Now check your system type. So go to system, scroll down, go to about option. And here you can see, for me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. And if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5083631. And once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, and then restart your PC and then check. Now the next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once done, restart your PC and then update your Windows 11. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now. Run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop and then click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish and then let this close automatically. It will take some time to close, and then make a double click on Windows ISO file on desktop. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.